Hello everyone, this is Ashwini. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And those who are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share my videos maximum and like all my videos. And today we are discussing about basic concepts of tax. So before getting into the concept of tax, we have to know what and all the basic things are there in the tax system. So not only in India, so every country is that they are collecting taxes. So tax, that you know, that is the compulsory payment made by every individual to the government. So that is said to be tax here. So tax includes certain basic concepts we have to know first. So there are mainly certain basic concepts are there. So I have listed only 7 concepts, so which is discussed one by one. So here first concept is the assessee. So here assessee is the main and first concept in the tax system. So assessee is the person who is paying tax to the government. He is said to be assessee here. So here every persons are not assessee, but every assessees are persons. So here the person who is paying tax to the government on his previous year income, so previous year income which is taxed in current year or assessment year. So the every persons cannot pay tax, only assessee, the person who is registered under the tax and also who is paying tax of his previous year income in the current year, so he is said to be assessee here. And the next one is assessment year. So assessment year, I have told, the assessee is paying tax for his previous year income in the current year. So previous year incomes are taxed in the current year. So here assessment year, which is nothing but period of 12 months, in the sense current year, on which the income of assessee is assessed to pay tax. Assessed in the sense combined. So here previous year incomes are combined to pay tax in the current year. So that is said to be assessment here. And the next one, previous year. So I have already told, financial year preceding to the assessment year. So here the previous year which is preceding in the previous year to the assessment year. For example, 2024-25 is the assessment year. So here previous year which is 2023 and 24 is the previous year, because which is preceding year to the assessment year. And the next is deemed assessee. Deemed assessee is nothing but person who is paying tax on behalf of others. So here he is not an assessee, but is said to be assessee here. He is acting as an assessee here. See here, son paying tax on behalf of his father. For example, if father is bedridden person, he can't move, so for that reason his son is paying tax of his father, so he is said to be deemed assessee. So he is acting an assessee on behalf of his father, so which is said to be deemed assessee. And the next one, assessee in default. So assessee in default in the sense, the person who is liable to pay tax but is not paid at, so which is said to be assessee in default. So default in the sense, he didn't pay any tax for his previous year income in the current year, which is said to be assessee in default. So here the name itself, it says is meaning, so which is assessee in default. So he's supposed to be paid tax but he is not paid yet, so which is said to be assessee in default. And the next one is casual income. So casual income which is not an regular income, so which occurs occasionally or suddenly. So suddenly we are receiving certain types of incomes. For example, lottery. So suddenly we receiving lottery, suddenly we won lottery, or betting game. So certain betting in the cricket matches or other things, betting games, and card games. So all these things are suddenly occurs, which is not an regular income, suddenly which occurs. So which is said to be casual income here, so which is not a regular source of income like salary, wages, so like that. So which is not a regular, which is irregular, suddenly which occurs. And the next one, maximum marginal rate. So maximum marginal rate, which is the highest rate tax which is applicable in India, so that is said to be maximum marginal rate, in the sense highest rate. So the person who is having income more than 1 crore, so he is to pay maximum marginal rate. I hope all you are understood. And if you having any doubts in this concept, please comment. So these are all the main things. So I have listed only few, so there are certain things are there. So if you want, please comment on the comment section, so I'll do class in the next session. So thank you.